Welcome back to my crochet channel. Today we'll be making a beautiful bookmark flower coaster, perfect for marking your favorite books or as a cute gift for friends. This is a beginner-friendly project, so don't worry if you're new to crochet. Grab your 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook and let's get started. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Before we begin, make sure you have your yarn and hook ready along with a pair of scissors. Let's start by making the heart. For the heart, start with a magic ring, chain 3, then work 3 double crochets. Next, make 3 half double crochets. Chain 1, make 1 double crochet, chain 1 again, then work 3 half double crochets, 3 double crochets, and finally chain 3. Slip stitch to close the heart shape. Great job! You've made the center of our bookmark. Now for the cord. Simply chain 50 stitches. This will be the stem that connects the heart and the flower. Keep your tension even to make a nice, neat cord. For the flower, round 1. Skip the first chain, then work 2 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn your work. Great start, you're building the base of the flower. Round 2. Work 1 single crochet, then increase in the next stitch by making 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2 and turn your work. You're doing amazing! The flower is starting to take shape. Round 3. Make 3 double crochet increases. That's 2 double crochets into each of the next 3 stitches. Chain 2, slip stitch to the base, and chain 1. You've now created a lovely curve for the petals. Round 4. Now we'll make the petals. Repeat 6 times, chain 3, work 2 treble crochets, chain 3, and slip stitch back. These will form the soft, rounded petals of your flower. Keep your stitches loose and even for a nice finish. And there you have it, your very own crochet bookmark flower coaster. Isn't it adorable? You did an amazing job following along. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more patterns, and share your creations with me in the comments. Happy crocheting, and see you in the next video.